The Gold RX air handling unit with a rotary heat exchanger has a unique way of securing the indoor air quality. The rotary heat exchanger is excellent at transferring energy from one airstream to another. But there is a risk of extract air leaking over into the clean supply air. To avoid this, Gold is equipped with a purging sector. But if the airflow is reduced, the purging sector may be insufficient. To solve this, Gold matches the rotor speed to the airflow, slowing down the rotor if necessary. Thanks to this unique solution, Gold delivers great supply air quality, even for demand-controlled ventilation. Air handling units with rotary heat exchangers recuperate energy by transferring it from one airstream to the other. In conventionally designed rotary heat exchangers, only a limited part of the airflow comes into contact with the air channel walls to release its energy. However, in the uniquely designed air channels in Swegon's Gold, the rotor makes the airstream turbulent, leading to increased contact with the channel walls. More energy is thereby released from the airstream, increasing the efficiency of energy recuperation. Thanks to the increased efficiency, each air channel can be made slightly larger, which reduces the pressure drop and saves fan energy. Compared to the conventional rotor, the Gold rotor has higher efficiency with less pressure drop, allowing for increased recuperation and lowering of fan energy consumption. Doubled profit for you, doubled profit for the environment. The journey towards a quiet air handling unit always begins with a well-designed fan wheel. That's why we at Swegon have developed our very own, optimized to suit our Gold units perfectly. We have also taken care to design the entire fan assembly, balancing it as a complete unit. The design is compact and allows for easy maintenance. To cancel out any remaining vibrations, the fan assembly is attached to the unit using vibration absorbers and flexible connections. Our know-how and comprehensive approach to sound and vibrations guarantees that Gold is remarkably quiet, making it easy to use even in sound-sensitive environments. With the IQ Navigator control pad, Swegon's Gold has revolutionized the way we access ventilation systems. The dashboard gives you the current status of the system in one quick glance. If more real-time or historic performance data is needed, it's just one tap away in the log view. Any alarms that occur are easy to access and take care of. Guides are ready to assist you with startup and filter calibration. The many functions of Gold are accessible with just a few taps on the screen. And if preferred, the interface is accessible via Wi-Fi connection. Overall, the prize-winning IQ Navigator is full of great functionalities and makes Gold easy to access and explore.